So yeah, now we're installing a handheld bidet. So mas maganda to sa akin kesa doon sa naka-install na bigla ka na lang mag-spray sa bottoms mo. So ito yung setup. So now I'm starting to unscrew yung connections doon sa tank. So nahirapan ako, so I have to use a vice grip. Weak kasi yung grip ko, but if you have a strong grip, you can just do it like that. Pero pagka na unscrew na yan, madali na yung next step. So this is my third bidet. Maybe you can install this bidet maybe around 15 minutes installation. So yan na, disconnect na. So after that, just connect itong letter T tube na supplied. Meron siyang washer, rubber washers, and Teflon, but you don't need to use it. So maganda yung fitting niya. Just make sure pag tinitwist nyo to, hindi natitwist yung nandun sa tank kasi maapektuhan yung pag-flash. But you just put it back. So this one, I'm removing the cap to connect yung bidet sprayer. Yan na siya. Ang drawback lang dito is pag winter rito sa Jacksonville malamig. But maybe that time, that's the time we're gonna use deeper again. So yan, kinoconnect na siya yung sprayer sa line. Mag-i-spray ng tubig tsaka dun sa main source ng water supply. Sabi ko nga, tight but not too tight. Just to make sure na pag tinest mo walang leak. Ayan, pinapakita ko dyan, meron siyang rubber washer that seals it to prevent leak. Yan nga, ang kagandahan nga nitong, yeah, I'm testing for water, for leak now. Ang kagandahan nito kasi yung water spray na to, you can control it to wash from front to the back to prevent UTI nga kasi from back to back to the front baka magkaroon ka pa ng UTI, especially the E. coli. So that one I was like testing the water flow. You can control it. Just make sure after every use you have to turn it off. Yan na yung, ito na yung recap on how to install it step by step. This is the tool that I used. Yan. There you go. This product is a great product. I probably gonna rate it as 5-star. I just bought it at Amazon of around less than $40. It's a good Amazon find. There you go. Enjoy.